Hi, my name is Claudia. I am from Brazil. In this episode, we are going to look at some of the pioneering primary immunodeficiency research and innovation taking place. We will also consider the importance of this work in improving diagnosis and treatment and the impact it's having on the people living with these conditions. To start with, I'd like to share with you my journey since I was diagnosed with a primary immunodeficiency. But first of all, I'd like to say that I am very lucky. Yes, I am very lucky. I'm lucky because there are around 6 million people with PI in the world, with an estimated 7 to 90% of these who remain undiagnosed. And I am one of the lucky people who has received a diagnosis. Since the beginning, I had access to treatment and the support of an excellent immunologist who was able to support me towards my diagnosis and beyond. I am also lucky because I have just mild symptoms, which allows me to have a relatively normal daily life. But mainly, I am lucky because my PI drove me to find my real life's purpose. It encouraged me to think about how I can help to spread awareness on what primary immunodeficiencies are and, crucially, the importance of early diagnosis and access to high-quality treatment for all. Global research and innovation, as well as public and private sector collaboration, are crucial to improving diagnosis and access to immunoglobulin therapies and other essential treatments so that more people like me are able to navigate their condition and receive the care they need. Despite the incredible efforts from many individuals and organizations around the world, there is still a long way to go in achieving equal access to diagnosis and treatment. In particular, I consistently advocate for immunoglobulin production in Brazil, since my country is not self-sufficient on this essential and costly medication. I am also committed to fighting against the challenges that many patients face with accessing treatment. And I'm glad that I am able to have the chance to advocate to our cause. Each small victory makes me very happy. Do you agree with me when I say I am lucky? Next, we're going to hear from Thomas Kriel, the Vice President for Global Pathogen Safety at Takeda, to hear all about the role of industry in improving treatment access, safety, and quality for patients.
Hello everybody, my name is Thomas Kriel and I'm the Head of Global Pathogen Safety here at Takeda. Happy World Primary Immunodeficiency Week to all members of the PI community. As an industry, we have had a razor-sharp focus over the years on improving the viral safety margins of plasma products, including immunoglobulins. Through the deployment of concepts such as the safety tripod, we have come a long way, and therefore members of the PI community can now fully trust in the safety margins of their immunoglobulin products. But that focus of the industry will not change. We stand by our obligation to also safeguard these products against any potentially emerging concerns. But with those more robust concepts now deployed, we can revisit the restrictions in plasma collection. And if those restrictions could be lifted and globally harmonized, then ultimately we could make more product available to the PI community. With that, the approach would be fully consistent with this year's theme of progress, breakthroughs, and hopes for the futures. Happy World Primary Immunodeficiency Week to all. Bye for now.